In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this simple, low, sleek bun using just a few products and tools. So let's get right into it. For this hairstyle, I'm working with wet hair because I find it much easier to maneuver and lay down. I'll be using some hair conditioner, 3 different combs, my hair gel, and a rat tail comb. To start, I'm going to create the parting for the hairstyle. The look I'm going for is a simple side part, so I'm taking my time to make sure the line is as straight and clean as possible. Once I have my part, I'm going to comb through the rest of my hair to make sure everything is detangled and laying smoothly before I start applying the gel. Now, I'm going to apply a very small amount of gel around the parting. I don't want to use too much product at once, so I'm starting with just a little and building it up where I need it. Using my rat tail comb, I'm going to start laying down the hair around the part, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Then I go in with my brush and start brushing the hair in the direction I want it to fall. I'm just taking my time and brushing everything down until the hair starts to lay flat. And honestly, working with wet hair makes this process so much easier because the hair is much more manageable. For the front section, I'm going to add a little more gel because I really want this area to have that sleek, polished look. I'm going back in with my rat tail comb to smooth everything down and create the exact shape I want. If I feel like I need a little more gel in certain areas, I simply add a tiny bit and continue smoothing it out. The goal here is just to make sure everything is sleek, neat, and laying exactly where I want it before I secure it into the bun. Once everything is in place, I'm using the thread I prepared earlier to tie the hair back into a low bun. And that's basically it. This hairstyle is actually very easy to do. I think it took me about 11 minutes in total, but I was taking my time and doing everything step by step so you could clearly see what I was doing without missing any part of the process. And here is the finished look. Honestly, this is such an easy hairstyle, I could literally do my makeup, get dressed, and go about my day like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.